Moving on, Kannadigas have earned a reputation of celebrating the birth of their state in various ways. Yes, one such celebration where the longest Kannada flag was unfurled by thousands of students.
Over 2,000 children gathered in the playground in MEI layout in Dasarahalli today. While many might think the kids were there to play, the students in fact unfurled a large Kannada flag striped in red and yellow. The program was organized by Bharat Yuva Kendra. The intention behind organizing the event was to ignite the spark of integrity and solidarity among the children.
ಸರ್ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಏನಂದರೆ ವಿಶ್ವದ ಅತಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕನ್ನಡ ಧ್ವಜ ಅಂತ ತರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. 1700 ಮೀಟರ್ ಉದ್ದ 7 ಅಡಿ ಅಗಲ ಸುಮಾರು 3 ರಿಂದ 4 ಸಾವಿರ ಜನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಈ ಧ್ವಜನ ಅನಾವರಣ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಏನಂದರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬಾವುಟ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕನ ಗಡಿ ಭಾಗನ 2 ಭಾಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂತಾರೆ. ಕನ್ನಡ ಭಾಷೆ ಒಂದೇ, ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡು, ಕನ್ನಡ ನುಡಿ, ನೆಲ, ಜಲ, ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಗ್ಗಟ್ಟಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಕನ್ನಡ ಬಾವುಟನ 2 ತುಂಡು ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿದ್ವಿ ಸರ್.
The flag has entered the Limca Book of Records for the longest ever to be unfurled. The dimensions of this flag are extraordinary. It may be just 7 feet in breadth, but when it comes to length, it is as long as 1,700 meters. It took a month's time for more than 100 students to make the flag. The students were ecstatic. The rich culture and heritage of Karnataka too was displayed, with several groups of folk artists performing. The procession of goddess Bhuvaneshwari in a silver chariot was another highlight of the event.
ಈ ದಾಸರಳ್ಳಿ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬಾವುಟನ ಕನ್ನಡಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲೂ ನೋಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮು.
Apart from students, local politicians and office bearers of several organizations assembled at the grounds to watch the spectacle. Bharat Yuva Kendra felicitated several personalities for their contribution to society. Pemmeya Malayanda, News 9, Bengaluru.